Good evening. I just want to do you a quick video tonight, just as a reminder for those of us that you're looking for, some recycling, some wood, you're finding some pallets or stuff. So, just wanted to show the kind of things you can find out there. They're not all garbage. So, just get right into it here. Like I said, quickie one, but just wanted to show everybody what I found the other day. And again, I'm fortunate enough to work at a place that come through a lot of stuff, but I found some pretty decent looking red pine here. I don't know if it's going to show up on the camera as well, but get it over there a little bit to my light there. But yeah, check it out. I don't know if you can see. It's got a nice reddish orange thing color going on there. Got a couple pieces that got some good striping in it. This one's a little bit heavier. I dig this stuff. I like it too because it's got the natural finish. It's still got some saw marks on it, you can see there. But I just love this, and they're not always like perfectly straight and taken care of like that, but it's pretty neat. If you keep a sharp eye out, you can find some different stuff to work with. And this stuff, just lacquered, or I wouldn't stain it myself because it'd probably take away from the color a little good, but just like the color, like some nice red pine or even some red oak. And I even found a couple other bits on it. Most of it was this, reddish colored, and got some good, got a good look to it. So for those of you that are interested in this stuff and kind of want another little tip, of what to look for, or just to keep your sharp eye out, and when you're looking for stuff, you can pile through some stuff. And I'll reiterate too at this time too, just when you're looking for stuff, if you get lucky, I get lucky enough that most of the stuff I find has been stored indoors, which I recommend. The stuff, usually they give away pallets. You find somebody, oh, come take them. They're outside, and as all pallets generally are, kiln dried to a certain temperature, and they get stamps certifying that. You'll see those stamps on the pallets, but just keep an eye out. The ones that are going to sit outside are going to suck up moisture, and that stuff is basically going to be junk. Some of it's, it goes through the cold, wet cycle and heat cycle out in the sunshine. It's just going to be so dry. It's all going to crack. You're not going to salvage anything. I know generally I have a general rule if I'm pulling a pallet apart to get some of the wood out of it and stuff, you're going to sacrifice a couple of pieces. But, if you can find the stuff, if it's stored indoors, or if you're looking for it, get with somebody that is willing to, give you a heads up, give you a quick phone call or something to say, hey, we got a couple things, come get them ASAP, so they're not sitting out in the weather. But just wanted to show everybody this. I say it's pretty cool, It's not rare, it's not antique or anything. It just looks neat, I don't even know what I'm gonna do with this stuff. I was thinking about making some kind of old-timey signs or something out of it, but just got a good look to it. We'll see what happens with it eventually. But thank you for watching again. Just as I said, just a quick one, just kind of an update in the middle of things and projects and stuff. But thanks for watching. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, and again, more to come. Thank you.